Yo, what's up? It's your boy LB. So welcome back to my another Premiere Pro basic tutorial. Guys, in this video we're gonna talk about we're gonna see how to create a sequence in Premiere Pro. Guys, when I jump here on my software, so now I just want create a new sequence. So guys, go here on this project panel, click here on new item, then click here on sequence. Okay guys, this is the first way. So now if you just want, you can use also the shortcut Ctrl+N. okay, so now you see this is the new sequence. Guys, for as a default, you can ask yourself, what a kind of sequence can I choose? Okay, so now I'll just come here to click okay. So now when I move my footage here, already you see here the new timeline is on. So now when I move my clip here on this timeline, okay, so the Premiere Pro will tell you this clip does not match the sequence settings, change sequence to match the clip settings. Okay, so now the Premiere Pro is asking me, so now you have to click here on change sequence settings. So now automatically this video clip, it will also use its own sequence. Okay, so when I click on it, okay, so now already here the sequence is getting. So for looking the property of this sequence, or just you can right click on it, okay, so now and then you click here on sequence settings. So now this is the sequence settings. You can change or edit these sequence, this frame size, the aspect ratio, display format, and what. So this is the first way for looking these sequence settings, or just you can come here on this sequence menu and then click here sequence settings. This is the second way how you can edit your sequence settings. Guys, this is how you can create your own sequence settings in Premiere Pro. Simple, easy. Thanks for watching. Stay creative. Peace.